Welcome to Calc 1 for the summer. I thought I'd go over some of the things on the As You Learn page to make sure you know how to navigate it. On this announcement tabs, that's just going to keep track of all the announcements I send out to you guys. And this student registration is going to give you access to the Achieve account, the online homework system. This is a link to the syllabus, and it has information about me, the bulletin description, goals, learning goals, record resources, the grading. That's probably an important one for you guys. So it has 3 different topics, and there'll be an assessment on each one of those along with homework stuff. These tilt assignments / application, you'll have 3 of those for the term, and then the final assessment. So within each topic, you'll have voice threads that you'll watch and take notes on, and you'll get credit for watching them. You'll have Achieve homeworks, Achieve assessment, and written assessments, and then those application questions. I need to update this where to get math help. It is in the most recent announcement, so the University Tutoring Services decided not to have help this summer, so the math department hired a graduate student to help with this. Institutional resources are just other resources on campus if you're interested in those. The VoiceThread introduction is a VoiceThread to show you how VoiceThread works, and then also a Desmos introduction. This introduction VoiceThread, that is where the other one is an introduction to VoiceThread, this is an introduction to each other. So I've put information about me up there, and you can add stuff to it if you'd like, totally optional. So this first chapter is on limits and continuity, and this daily calendar is the one I've sent you. For each chapter, you'll have some lesson slides that go along with these lessons. These are VoiceThread lessons that I expect you to take notes on. I used to have people comment within the VoiceThread, but because you guys tend to do them at different times, so some people move way ahead and some people don't, it kind of messes that up. So there's some times that I ask you to write on the VoiceThread, but you cannot. I took that power away. So when I ask you to, don't worry about the fact that you can't. There are some activities, not that I have that one hidden, like this limit and continuity of transcendental functions. So notice those are optional. So during the academic year, I do require those, but this is so condensed, I have not required those. They often help with the written portion of the assessments. So good to look at, but not required. So for every section, you have homework. I also have some worksheets that are pulled straight from Achieve that you can click on, and you can print them out and work on them if you want, and then I have solutions to those. So if you just want to make sure you're understanding before you go straight to the Achieve, you're welcome to do that, or not, whichever you prefer. And then these are the assignments that are for a grade. These are the Achieve homeworks, and then there's this first written / application problem. So each unit is kind of set up the same way. So that was chapter 1. Chapter 2 looks pretty much the same. So kind of that same pattern for all of them. At the end of chapter 2, you will see the topic 1, chapters 1 and 2 assessments. So that kind of tells you that there's 2 parts. There's a Achieve part and a written part, and you are not able to access them until you have completed all the homeworks for this section. All right, so hopefully that gives you a little bit more about how the As You Learn page is structured. Please let me know if you have any questions.